So recently I was meeting two senior execs from the retail direct to consumer industries for dinner. And during the conversation, understandably, I think all of my conversations these days really have to have AI in it. And as we were talking about it, one of the friends or one of the executives essentially said that there are just so many companies who are talking about do this, do this. It's almost like giving you a prescription. But I really want people who can really give me steps by steps, tell me exactly what needs to be done, and then present a proposal whether they can convert what they are prescribing into action as well. So that's, I think, a big fundamental shift which I am seeing as I really speak with executives literally every day from the e-commerce industry. There is an overload of information, there is an overload of change which we are all subjected to, specifically on the artificial intelligence and AGI and all that stuff. And at the same time, the busy execs have to run their business as well. So rather than really having companies preach as to what should be done, they are really looking at what I call the do companies, companies who prescribe and who have the confidence and capability to execute as well. And that's a big shift, which I think will really become very, very prevalent as we really move forward in the future as well. The emergence of what I call the do companies who are bold, who are AI first, and who really have this boldness and this courage of taking a leap into the future and really helping the customer as an extension of their team.